Now see the fifth question. In figure, PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms. See, this is PQRS and this is ABRS. These two are parallelograms and X is any point on side BR. This X is any point on side BR. Now we have to show that area of parallelogram PQRS is equals to area of parallelogram ABRS. Okay. Then second one, we have to prove that area of triangle AXS is equals to half of area of PQRS. Okay. Now see the solution. First part, we have to prove that area of PQRS is equals to area of ABRS. Okay. So see, this is PQRS and this is ABRS. Now we can see that base of both the parallelograms are same, that is SR or RS. Okay. And they are between same parallel lines between SR or RS and PB. These are the two parallel lines and these two parallelograms are between them. Okay. See, this is PQRS and this is ABRS. Base is same and they are between same parallel lines. So in this we will write, since PQRS and ABRS are two parallelograms situated on same base RS. This is the same base RS and between same parallels, RS parallel to PB. This RS parallel to this PB. Okay, they are situated between these two parallel lines. So we know that if two parallelograms are between same parallel lines and have same base, then their area will be equal. So we can write, therefore area of PQRS is equals to area of ABRS. This is the first part of our answer. Name this as equation number 1. Okay. Now see the second part. In second part, we have to prove that triangle XAS is and parallelogram PQRS have this relation. Okay. So see, first of all we will see triangle XAS and parallelogram ABRS. See, the base of these both are same, that is AS. Okay. And these two parallelograms are between same parallel lines, that is AS and BR. See, triangle AXS and parallelogram ABRS have same base AS and between same parallel lines AS and BR. So in this we can write, since triangle XAS and parallelogram ABRS are situated on same base AS and between same parallels AS and BR. Okay. Therefore area of this triangle will be half of area of this parallelogram. So area of XAS will be equal to half of area of ABRS. Now see equation number 1. Area of PQRS is equals to area of ABRS. So instead of ABRS we can write PQRS. So in next step we will write area of XAS is equals to half of area of PQRS from equation number 1, and this is what we have to prove in the second part. So we can write hence proved. So we have proved our fifth question also. Now see the sixth question. A farmer was having a field in the form of a parallelogram PQRS. She took any point A on RS and joined it to points P and Q. In how many parts the field is divided? This we have to find. What are the shapes of these parts? This also we have to tell. The farmer want to show wheat and pulses in equal portion of the field separately. How should she do it? Okay, see, let see the answer of this question. Let PQRS is the field of the farmer in the form of a parallelogram. So this is PQRS, a parallelogram. Okay, now she took a point A on side RS. This is a point A on side RS. Okay, now she joined A to P and Q respectively. A is joined with P and Q. Okay, now what we have to tell? See the first one. In how many parts the field is divided? See, 1, 2 and 3. In 3 parts the field is divided. So the answer of first one is the field is divided into 3 parts. Now see the next question. What are the shapes of these parts? Now we have to tell the shapes of these parts. In first part 3 sides are there, that means this is triangle. Second also 3 sides are there, that means this is triangle. In third also 3 sides are there, that means this is also a triangle. So the answer of second part will be all the 3 parts are in the shape of triangle. Okay, now see the third one, what we have to find. The farmer wants to show wheat and pulses in equal portions of the field separately. How should she do it? Now the farmer wants to show wheat and pulses in equal parts separately. Okay, so we know that, see, this triangle and this parallelogram are between same base PQ and between same parallels PQ and SR. That means area of this triangle, center triangle, will be half of the area of this parallelogram. Okay, and these two other triangles, these other two will form the other half of the parallelogram. Okay, that means this is one half of the area of parallelogram and these two together will form the other half of the area of parallelogram. So the farmer can show wheat in this triangle and pulses in these two triangles. Okay, so the answer of the third one will be the farmer will show wheat in the part APQ and pulses in the parts APS and AQR. Okay. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.